2024 Best First Motorcycle for Beginners Honda Rebel 300. In the dynamic world of motorcycles, the 2024 Honda Rebel 300 stands out as an exemplary choice for beginners, seamlessly blending style, comfort, and accessibility. Recognized as one of the best first motorcycles for those embarking on their riding journey, the Rebel 300 exemplifies Honda's commitment to crafting machines that cater to riders seeking an ideal balance of learning-friendly features and a classic cruiser aesthetic. In 2024, the Rebel 300 continues to capture the hearts of entry-level riders globally, standing as a symbol of confidence building, stylish rides, and the joy of cruising the open road on two wheels. 1. Classic cruiser design with modern flair. The Honda Rebel 300 boasts a classic cruiser design that pays homage to timeless aesthetics while infusing modern flair. With its low-slung profile, minimalist lines, and blacked-out finishes, the Rebel 300 exudes a timeless presence that resonates with riders looking for a stylish entry into the cruiser lifestyle. Honda's meticulous attention to design ensures that the Rebel 300 not only provides a comfortable riding experience but also makes a bold statement on the road. 2. Responsive single-cylinder engine. At the heart of the Rebel 300 lies a responsive 286 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, offering a perfect balance of accessible power and efficiency. Honda's engine design emphasizes smooth power delivery, making it an excellent choice for beginners looking to build confidence while experiencing the joy of cruising. The Rebel 300's engine provides enough performance for city commuting and highway cruising, offering a versatile platform for riders to enjoy the cruiser experience. 3. Comfortable ergonomics for relaxed cruising. Designed for comfort and relaxed cruising, the Rebel 300 features rider-friendly ergonomics. The bike offers a laid-back seating position, mid-mounted foot controls, and wide handlebars, ensuring riders can enjoy extended journeys without discomfort. Honda's commitment to rider comfort makes the Rebel 300 not only a stylish cruiser but also a practical and enjoyable companion for daily commuting and leisurely rides. 4. Lightweight chassis for effortless handling. Crafted for lightweight handling, the Honda Rebel 300 provides riders with an effortless and easy-to-maneuver experience. The bike's compact frame and low seat height contribute to stable and confident handling, especially beneficial for riders developing their skills. The Rebel 300's lightweight chassis adds to its approachability, allowing beginners to comfortably cruise through city streets and navigate corners with ease. 5. Integration of modern features. The 2024 Rebel 300 seamlessly integrates modern features to enhance the overall riding experience. LED lighting, a digital instrument cluster, and optional accessories add contemporary functionality without compromising the Rebel 300's classic cruiser charm. Honda ensures that the Rebel 300 remains technologically relevant, appealing to riders who appreciate the fusion of timeless styling with modern conveniences. Conclusion. The 2024 Honda Rebel 300 stands as a global icon of entry-level cruiser excellence, securing its position as one of the best first motorcycles for beginners. Its classic cruiser design, responsive single-cylinder engine, comfortable ergonomics, lightweight handling, and integration of modern features make it an unrivaled choice for riders venturing into the world of motorcycling. Whether cruising city streets with style, embarking on leisurely rides, or simply reveling in the freedom of open roads, the Rebel 300 encapsulates the spirit of Honda's dedication to crafting motorcycles that redefine the boundaries of entry-level cruiser excellence. As a symbol of confidence building, stylish rides, and the joy of the beginner's journey, the 2024 Honda Rebel 300 rightfully claims its place as a global legend in the realm of first motorcycles for beginners.